Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to our events on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Mackenzie 0. I'm joined by Dudula.
Yes, Tibo.
Come on, Putumdala.
For to excitement ngayo.
Inyabo. We are she saying. We are she saying.
Yes, in fact.
Yo.
Tolong Pepe.
Pepe Chan, Macho. Pepe Chan, Macho.
Pepe.
Pepe Chan,
Yes, Tibo. They want happiness ngayo.
Yeah.
Fet angeng zosuka le. Egoli ngizozela iloss
akhonakala
I'm 33 points
yeah
phakathi ngihappy and into ekhona angazi bamshintshela uDuba this boy udlalile ukhombisile skora what a nice goal nakhona i-combination namhlanje the short combination and nakhona bayikhombisile lento ukuthi they need a win too so ke ngengizolela if he lose abafana bakhombisile i-hardship nakhona ubumbano lana belukhona hayi ukuthi bebelokhu bafuthekisana cha bayikhombisile united nathi sifike la ngokuthi sizokhombisa uthando amakhosi yabona kunje bafowethu ngathi singabonisa uthando njalo kubakhosi ngoba ngahleka omakhelwane laba balabathi siyadliwa mfethu yazini abasonto lalela mfethu yabona ukuthula kwethu nokuthi izinto zethu ziyophumelela bathi silence is best everything ngiyangithola nakhona into ebalekile must be humble humble yourself ekugcineni you'll reap izinto ezirayight
makhosi ngicela ukubuza Dudula bazoyithatha ileague laba
abakhoste yabona manje iPirates kusasa izothola yabona kusasa 2-1 sasa TS Galaxy 2
Pirates 1
angeke yabona namhlanje ngicela ukunikeza man of the match
ubani njayam
Duba bhuti yabona Duba namhlanje usebenzile boy and ngicela amakhosi asibambaneni sibumbane yabona mfethu
Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.